Here's how to add confetti to your Webflow page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to Webflow.com, and then on the dashboard, choose and click the site you want to use the confetti to. Click on Open Designer. Once you're inside, click on the plus sign in the upper left corner panel to see elements. Now, look for the embed element and then click it. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier. Or use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the code pasted into the embed element, click on Save and Close. The embed will only appear on the published or exported site. If the site is not published yet, click on Publish from the upper right corner, then click on Publish to selected domains. Now, to see the confetti animation in action, click on this new tab icon, which will open a new tab for you. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.